Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also personalize the notifications so that every time I post a new video you get notified. So today guys, I am going to be teaching you how to do your acrylic nails at home. You're going to start off by pushing your cuticles, and then you want to go ahead and file your cuticle area with a small sized electric filer, exactly as I am doing. Or if you don't have, you can just take a buffer and then you buff your cuticle area. The reason we are doing this is to make our nails last, because sometimes if you didn't file your cuticle area, your nails can lift very quickly, and then you remove the shine of your natural nail. Again, please do not over file this do not over file your nail because it can be weak, so please be careful when you do that. And then you want to go ahead and take your tips, and then you apply your glue, and then you take the rightful size or for each nail. For my pinky, I took the size, it's the smallest size, I believe. If you don't have a size, you can always resize it by filing it. So yeah, you continue to stick your nails. Just make sure that when you apply your glue, you apply enough glue, and then hold it steady and press it onto the nail so that it doesn't make bubbles, because if it makes bubbles, your nails are not gonna last. Make sure that it doesn't make bubbles. And then you want to go ahead and cut your nails into your desired size. I wanted like a very short size of nails, and then you want to go ahead and shape them into your desired shape. I just did a nice simple square, and then you blend them on the side. And then when you are done blending them, you want to go ahead and remove the shine of the tips and blend it with your natural nail. And then now you want to prep your nail with the nail prep from Planet Nails. You can use any that you can find, and then you want to go ahead and put on primer. Sometimes I use sticky bond, but today I was like, let me use the primer. And then you want to go ahead and take your Monomer and brush cleaner. Today I'm using the Ballet slippers color as my base. And then you wanna dip in your brush into your monomer, and then you dip it on your acrylic powder as well. You guys, when you do your beads, you make sure that your brush is clean constantly. So if you feel like your brush is now sticky and it's difficult to use, it is always wise to clean it with your brush cleaner. That's why we have the brush cleaner on the side. And so guys, if you want me to teach you how to do beads properly, let me know on the comment section so that I can do a video for you. I think next month when I remove this set, or maybe I'll find a model to do their nails to show you the beads if you are interested. So yeah guys, let me know if you're interested in knowing how to take your beads and then apply them on your nail. So normally I go for 3 beads. When you apply your beads on your nails, make sure that you press and then you brush when you blend the bead. But if you apply it on the nail, you just press, and then it's exactly as I'm doing. I don't know how to explain it guys in words, but yeah, that's what you do. And then try to, when you apply your beads around your cuticle area, try to not touch your cuticle area at all. Leave like a hairline gap so that your nails last. But if you going to you apply your acrylic over your cuticle area, you guys, your nails won't last, and they would hook things when they grow. So yeah, and then you want to go ahead and file your nails exactly as I am doing. It is wise also to dust off the dust every time after filing, and then you want to go ahead and reshape properly the final shaping. And then with your filer, be careful when you file as well, you guys. Do not file your skin, do not file your natural nail, because that hurts. Be gentle with your nails, guys. When you do your nails, it shouldn't hurt. It shouldn't hurt at all. It shouldn't hurt. It needs to be Okay, and then you buff your nails to make them smooth so that you can do your nail art. For this set, I'm doing a French tip kind of vibe, yes, but with the white gel. Then you want to go ahead and do that. I'm doing it freehand, guys. I don't know any alternative way. I've been doing this for the longest of time when I was doing my clients, and it was working wonderfully for me, and I feel like it was quicker than trying to use a stencil or something to draw the French. And then you want to go ahead and put on your top coat when you are done, and then you cure it. Make sure that you cure the white before you put the top coat. Sometimes also cure the thumb and the pinky separately, because sometimes they tend to not dry properly because they don't sit well on the machine, on the UV lamp rather. After curing your top coat, you can then now do your 3D flower. It's very simple to do it 3D flower. Preferably, I prefer doing it on a person. When I'm doing it on myself, it doesn't come out as nice as I would do it on someone else. So yeah, you just put like dots and then wait for them to dry out a little. Don't wait them to dry out. Don't wait for them to dry out completely, just a little bit, and then you press with the brush. You press with the brush exactly as I am doing. Preferably you like place 2 dots and then you wait for them. Don't place more than 2 dots, and also don't place one, because with one it will slow down the process. Also, you will be in a rush to press it and it wouldn't have dried enough. And then now it's time for me to put on the pearls. I decided to take a small size of pearls, and then I stick them on the middle, the center of the flowers, and then I've also decided to scatter them around the nail exactly as I am doing. I'm also doing the same thing. I'm also gonna do the same thing on the left hand side. Yeah. And then when you're done with the whole process, this is the last step. You put on your cuticle oil to keep your cuticles healthy and moisturized, because cuticles tend to dry so much. I'm guilty of that. Sometimes I don't really take good care of my cuticles, but as a girl, you always need to have a cuticle oil to take care of your cuticles. Look at how cute that set is. I love it so much. I really did a great job. And then yeah, guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also personalize the notification bell so that every time I post a new video you get notified. Also, please let me know your thoughts on the comment section so that I can know where to improve. Thank you. I love you all. See you on the next coming one.